Welcome back to One More Guru. So I took a look at those Valora Beetroot capsules someone mentioned in the comments, and honestly my overall impression is kind of a proceed with caution situation. It doesn't immediately look like a total scam because, to their credit, they actually list the supplement facts and dosage per capsule. That's already more transparency than some random supplement brands provide. They also claim the product is made in the USA and clinically studied, but when I tried to track down the actual studies or research they're referring to, I couldn't really find any clear proof. That doesn't necessarily mean the product is bad, but it also means you shouldn't expect some kind of miracle health solution. At the end of the day, it's basically beetroot in capsule form. The part that stood out to me the most was the reviews. On their website, they're showing something like a 4.8-star rating with thousands of reviews, which sounds impressive at first. But since those reviews are hosted on their own site, they obviously control what appears there. So I checked Trustpilot, which is an independent review platform, and interestingly there were 0 reviews. Nothing at all. If a product really had over 8,000 happy customers, you'd usually expect at least a few people to talk about it on outside sites. The lack of independent feedback definitely feels a bit suspicious. If you're really curious and want to try it for things like circulation or a small energy boost, it's probably fine as a basic supplement. Just be smart about how you buy it. If you do decide to order, using a credit card with buyer protection is a good idea. That way, if shipping takes forever or the product ends up being disappointing, you have the option to dispute the charge. At the end of the day, keep your expectations realistic. It's beets in a capsule, not a life-changing miracle. Thanks for watching One More Guru, where we break down the hype so you can make smarter decisions.